The journey begins with skilled workers. Safety comes first.
Tools are prepared carefully.
Work is planned professionally.
The team heads to the salt hills. Natural salt is found in the mountains. Pure salt formations appear. Workers reach the mining area. Salt is extracted carefully.
Traditional methods are used.
Salt is gathered. Salt is packed for transport.
Initial quality is checked.
Salt is ready to move. Salt travels to the factory. Salt is transported safely. The factory comes into view. Salt reaches the factory.
Unloading begins.
Salt enters processing zone. Salt is crushed. Material flows smoothly. Salt is thoroughly washed. Impurities are removed. Moisture is eliminated.
Drying is monitored.
Salt is cooled safely. Grain size is adjusted.
Purity is tested.
Machines are supervised.
Nutritional value is confirmed.
Salt is approved.
Salt is ready.
Cleanliness is maintained. Packing area is hygienic. Modern packing starts.
Exact quantity is filled.
Modern packing starts.
Packets are sealed.
Details are printed.
Quality is checked again.
Only perfect packs remain.
Packets are counted.
Bulk packing is done.
Cartons are secured.
Salt is stored safely.
Ready for delivery. Salt reaches shops. Ready for public use.
Pure salt, from mountains to your home.